Today we are visiting another farmer. She is in the business of rearing pigs. Yes, she rears pigs and sells them off, but also now she's opened up her own mobile pork joint. So she can prepare the pork for you and deliver it to where you are for your function, for whatever reason, on order. Or you can just order for pork that is cut and dressed and you take it and cook it for yourself. So this is the kind of farmer we are visiting today.
Okay, so my name is Anna Magembe. I am a teacher and I'm a farmer. Currently, I didn't want to complain about my salary, so I decided during COVID, my first salary, to take only 200,000 and I remember the piglet was 100,000, yeah. So I bought 2 piglets. My first salary in COVID, as people didn't have jobs, I got an opportunity to have a job as a teacher online. So I started with those 2 pigs and they gave birth, and that's how my farm started growing. Yeah, so these ones are 5 months old. I castrated them. And
They are male. Oh,
they are male.
That means they are for
sale, like for cats. Because I already opened up a pork joint.
Okay.
I'm opening up a pork joint.
Okay.
So this time around, I'll not be selling.
You will be taking them to your pork joint.
Yeah, I'll be doing retail.
Oh, how long have you? How old are they?
These are now 6 months.
Only 6 months.
Yeah.
At what point are they ready for cutting?
Even now they can eat.
I thought they said the younger they are, the more delicious.
Yeah, the more delicious. The meat will be tender. Yes.
Awesome.
These ones, the little ones, the piglets, I've just weaned them off of their mothers.
Oh.
There's 7 in here, produced by 2, which are up there, which we are going to see.
Okay.
These are, they have just made 3 months.
3 months?
Yes. Or 2.5. Actually, they are 2.5.
Okay.
And I'm going to put them in the next, separate, in the next tie.
Okay.
After it has been renovated there.
Okay.
Yes. And then,
why will you have to move them?
because here competition of eating, I want them to have enough food.
So you're going to live here how many?
I'll live here 3. Actually, when those ones are sold off,
okay, some will go there.
Some will go there, others there. Okay. So there will be 2 in one style.
Oh,
yes. Okay. Because I already have a function. They require a member who has an introduction. And after the intro, the family members want 2 to be cut and roasted. I'll also do the roastery.
Okay, you do it yourself?
Yes.
At your piggery?
Yes.
At your pork joint?
Yes, we shall do a mobile pork joint.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
This one is also 5 months. Those are 4. Those 3 are 4.
The other 3?
Those are 4 months.
Okay. So how come this one is alone that is 5 months? Was it born alone?
There's a few There are 3 moms in there. So there are 4. One is already missing a male. 2, 3, 4. So most of these ones are from 4. The other 2 gave birth to those. The other two gave birth to this. There is one in here gave birth to this. There is one I sold.
One big one. 2 mamas.
2 mamas gave birth to that group.
Okay.
And this group.
The group that is there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I sold some of the mamas.
This one is also 3 months.
No, this one
2 months.
This one is 3. It got sick. I separated it. Now it's come back. It's coming back to normal, to life. This one, these are from the same mom. Actually, all these 4. This was growing slowly. A certain choir member actually also bought that, and they left it here. And this one, co-worker bought it. They left it here. I'm rearing these 2 for them.
Will they add extra?
Extra money?
Yes.
They buy shachu once in a while.
Oh, okay.
So these 4 here.
We are not bringing good news of food.
These 4 here, this is the mom. That one in there is the mom inside.
So the other one is the mom.
They've just been weaned off from the breastfeeding stuff.
How old are these ones?
These ones are also 3.5.
3.5.
3.5. They've been growing slowly.
Okay. These delegates. 3.5. They've been growing. When you say they've been growing slowly, what do you normally mean?
The worker didn't take care of them very well. They should have been as big as the other 3 group.
The first one that we saw on this row.
Yeah, the other one where mommy was.
Where we are going.
Yeah, where mommy was.
So they were not being fed well and
cleaned well, fed well. So, but they are healthy now. You see, they are coming up. They are not bony. They are not skinny.
They are just getting back to life.
Yeah, getting back. And this one is sucker. I think this one is castrated also. It is the biggest.
So when they are castrated, that means they are going to be sold for food.
Yeah. Okay. I keep only 1
out of the males,
which is in there.
And the rest, but the females, you keep all of them.
Females I also sell. This time there are so many I'm going to sell. I want to reduce the number.
Okay. Nice.
Since I am opening up a pork joint.
Okay. Now you have to have more for meat.
Yeah, I need meat. More.
We say this one is. Oh, this one is taken. But how old is it? Do you know?
They are the same. These ones and those 2. These ones are growing slowly.
This one.
That's the same mom.
8 months.
This one should be 6.
6. That means normally a pig is ready to sell it
at 6.
At 6 months.
Okay.
My shoe is getting just old.
So they haven't eaten now, but
how often do you feed them?
Twice.
Morning
and evening. And
you left the baby with the mom.
That one was so small.
Which one?
We left it to do what?
Sorry. To first gain some weight.
Yeah.
Oh, the other one. It was too tiny.
When the mom is breastfeeding, they lose weight, whether you like it or not. So these ones have just finished breastfeeding.
But I'm saying this mama is weightless.
Yeah. It's been feeding.
It has been sleeping in the corridor.
It gave birth to 7. This one gave birth to 6.
This one gave birth to 7.
This one to 6. And it's lost 2. But
Lost 2. To what?
One was stuck in some some of these woods. I got to see it after so many days when it was stuck. I found it almost dying.
Oh, sorry.
And then the other one,
They need more soup.
yeah, more water.
Water.
They haven't eaten, that is why.
Water.
But I was going to feed. The food is ready there, water is there.
Do you want to feed us with water?
That's what I wanted.
Please. That is good. You can go prepare. You can do that. That's just how to stop your work.